Do you know your rights if a pharmacist refuses to fill your prescription? This question has come up recently due to a number of incidents across the Valley. My name is Bree Burkett, and I'm a reporter with the Arizona Republic at azcentral.com. Recently, a Fountain Hills CVS pharmacist refused to fill a transgender woman's hormone medication based on his ethical beliefs. She then took her prescription to another pharmacy, but not after she alleges that she was berated by this pharmacist. CVS has since come out and said that this employee has been let go because they violated their company policies. Recently, a Peoria Walgreens had a similar incident after a woman who had suffered a miscarriage tried to fill a prescription for medications to help her manage the miscarriage. But her pharmacist refused to fill the prescription based on moral grounds.
When I got to the pharmacy, the guy called me up. He pulled out the prescription, gave me 2 of them, said, here's these 2, laid them out on the counter, and then asked me if I was pregnant. And so I said, well, yes, I am pregnant. And he was like, I can't give you this one. And I was like, what? I don't understand. I was like, my doctor called this in. This is to help because my pregnancy is not moving along. I don't have any fetal growth. And he said it was his ethics.
Walgreens has actually stood by that employee, saying that they didn't violate their company policy in any way. But what are your rights in a situation like that? And how does the state protect these pharmacists? So under state law, pharmacists are basically completely in the right to refuse to fill a prescription based on moral, ethical, or religious grounds. Arizona is one of 6 states that has what's called a conscience clause. There are no other provisions in that law that require the pharmacist to send it to somewhere else or to have another pharmacist within the store fulfill it. Other pharmacies have created rules that dictate what their employees should or shouldn't do in this situation. For example, Walgreens requires that it is sent to another store within a timely manner, or someone else in the location is supposed to fill it. So the Pharmacy Review Board in the Peoria case is currently reviewing whether any rules were violated by the pharmacist when he refused to fill the miscarriage medication. Granted, so refusing to fill it wasn't a violation of state law, but they'll determine whether there was anything else that was amiss there. So currently that is under investigation. They said it should be done sometime this fall. From there, they'll decide whether anything should happen, whether that person should face any kind of punishment, or even have their license revoked. In the Fountain Hills case, we don't know if the pharmacy board has received a complaint yet. We're waiting for a response from them, but we do know that the ACLU is looking into the incident. Just know your rights. Know that the store could have some kind of policy where they should forward it to another location or have another employee fill it for you. Maybe just ask if there's another pharmacist on staff who can handle it for you, so you're not left without your prescription. Try to get your doctor involved as well. With the Fountain Hills case, the transgender woman did have to go back to her doctor to have the prescription sent to another store after the pharmacist refused to return it to her. Other than that, try to file a complaint to the pharmacist board. That's really your best course of action in a situation like this. We'll continue to follow this story as it unfolds. For more information, visit azcentral.com.